Me, there are 3 different categories of cleansers. There's your standard shampoo, there's a co-washing cleanser, and then there are alternatives. First, and the most information that I have on based on my experience, are the standard shampoo. Your standard shampoo is designed to lift dirt, debris, oils, and any kind of gunk that's on your scalp away. So what you're doing when you're putting your shampoo on is you're agitating and helping lift that dirt and debris and excess oil. When you're going to the store to look for your standard shampoo, what you're going to need to do is take the bottle off the shelf, flip that sucker over, and look at the ingredients. Advertising has caught on to us who want to have sulfate-free shampoos, so they put sulfate-free on the front, but they still may include some sulfates. So what you don't want is, there may be some sulfates in the ingredients, but you definitely want to stay away from ALS, which is ammonium lauryl sulfate, and you want to stay away from the SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. Those are the 2 most harsh. If you don't think standard shampooing is for you, co-washing. Co-washing is when you use any kind of conditioner and you put that on your scalp rather than a standard shampoo. I personally cannot co-wash because my scalp is just too selective and it doesn't like conditioner on it. Many companies have created their own version of co-washing, so some of them, if you look at the advertising or the marketing on the package, it may say co-wash. Those are specifically designed, which is awesome. The companies are getting on the bandwagon, which is great for us. So now they kind of make it easier where you can go to the shelf, read the label, and it says co-washing. Then you'll know you can use it for a co-wash. I don't have as much experience with co-washing only. The only reason I use co-wash, which I really don't even wash with it, I just put it on my hair and rinse it out, and I'll link the video below of how I do that. But I don't have as much experience with co-washing, so I can't really give much advice on that. So let's move on to alternative methods of cleansing. One is a clay. So I've used Russell clay before. There's bentonite clay from Terra Essentials. Usually it doesn't take much to irritate my scalp. That I didn't experience that at all with the clays, but it's just they're not readily available. So I've gravitated back to a store-bought shampoo. Next is apple cider vinegar rinse. I've never done the apple cider vinegar rinse alone. I always use a shampoo, but some people use apple cider vinegar just as their scalp cleanser, and that's it. I don't have experience with that. I can't tell you how it works, but what I do use is after I've completed my shampoo, deep conditioning, and in between, before I do my leave-in, sometimes I'll just pour a little bit of apple cider vinegar mixed with water, and that kind of gives my hair a shine. Shampoo bars. There are bars that, if you've seen my Project 10 Pan video, you've seen that I bought bars from Chagrin Valley. I like those also, but the thing is, I'm just so used to using the bottle to squeeze out my shampoo and get it close to my scalp. The bar is a little more difficult because you have to kind of rub the bar in your hair or break off a piece. So there's water-based. Some people just use water. They just turn the water on, turn the faucet on, and agitate their scalp, rinse it, and they don't even worry about any kind of product, just straight water. But the problem where you run into with that is that if you have hard water, which I believe I have, there can be chemical deposits from the chemicals in the water, which is so crazy, and that's a whole nother video. But like calcium and things like that build up, and that can build up on your scalp. So water is not made to lift that from your scalp. Only shampoo once a month or once every 2 months. Then I highly suggest you either finding a clarifying shampoo so you can remove any kind of product buildup that you've acquired over time. You can use a sulfate shampoo, and that will help to strip away that buildup. So let's do a recap. Again, this video is only a foundation to help you how to find the product that works best for your hair. There's no miracle product out there, but you know what? You're gonna find the product that works best for your hair. And I'm here to let you know my experience and what's worked for me. If you guys always have any questions or just any comments or whatever, leave them down below. All right, talk to you guys later.